Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can schedule a message in Discord. So to do so, we need to invite a bot. So to download the bot, just type on any of your browser message scheduler and tap on the first option. Now tap on invite this bot, and then you'll be able to schedule a message in your Discord server. Scroll a bit down and you can see more information and details about the message scheduler. And to use this bot, you can use these commands over here. The first one to create a new scheduled message, the second one to display a list of your scheduled messages and their IDs, and others are also displayed here. And how does it work? So when you use this command over here, this one, the bot will walk you through a simple command flow asking for the message's title and content, the destination channel you want the message to send in when you want the message to be sent, and how often you want the message to repeat, if at all. So if you're satisfied with this bot over here, just invite this bot and then you'll be able to schedule a message. And guys, that's how you schedule a message in Discord. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.